Okay, we're going to keep going with this Fusion 360 modeling the C9 Auto Moblox sports car. And where I left off on the last video was I'd used this sketch profile that I just created. So I'm going to go in and pick that. Actually, I'll show you something kind of important to recognize here. If I can get my keyboard there. So I'm going to rotate this around and show you that you can pick this profile or this profile because it's going to recognize that split there. But that's okay. So you just got to be careful about what you pick. And in this case, I extruded it, and down here, I made in the operation, I cut it. If I select cut and then come over here and grab that left click and drag with my mouse, drag that back, I can cut that out of that block right there. And I think I went in and added a fillet on those two edges like that. And while I'm in the front view, I'm also going to put in the headlights. And I'll select this plane, this flat piece that's at the front of the car right now. I can sketch on that plane, no problem. And then when we hit this tab here, you'll get the different options for sketching. And these are all sketching tools for stitching together all the sketching you could possibly need. Circles, I probably will just select a center point circle. I'm going to show you a trick that you use a lot in any kind of 3D modeling, which is, watch, I'm going to put a line up the center of that car like that. And that way I can start mirroring stuff. So I only have to design it on one side. So I pick the circle, I come in here, and I like that. Then I can hit escape, get out of the circle tool. It's letting you, it'll stay in that tool and let you create circles until you're done with it. And then over here, I believe in, actually right here, see that little thing? It's the mirror tool. And it says, select object to mirror. I want that circle. And then the mirror line, when I come down here and say, select that, I select that line, bam, puts a mirror of it over here. So again, I'm gonna hit this home view there. I can live with those. So I got to go pick those profiles, those two circular profiles from that sketch. Actually, sorry, I forgot to finish sketch. There we go. Now they're highlighted. And if I go and just push them in, you're going to see that the software automatically knows that I want to cut with those, because that's most likely the most likely thing you're going to do with those. What might look nice on those as well is if I came over here and instead of a round edge, well, actually, sorry, I pick the chamfer, and that'll put a flat 45-degree. It's also sometimes called a countersink. See, that's too big, so I'm going to type in 0.02 maybe. Yeah, that looks really nice. Oh, I forgot to, yeah, that's right, I reconstructed this, and I already had you guys put in so let me, oh, it's 0.2, sorry. There it is. Whoops. I could do that on this side too. 2. Got that step. So you already should have done that. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, sorry, I keep forgetting it's middle mouse button on this. I go back and forth to so much software. Okay, this is looking pretty good, and then we're going to move on in the next tutorial to how to create the wheel.